The Wanle Gamer's console comes with its own built-in game and a display. It can also be used to protect your iPhone from knocks and bumps. It is available in our deals store for $33.99. Remember how much you loved your classic Game Boy? The intuitive gameplay and good old-fashioned plastic construction were emblematic of a simpler time where Tetris was king of the gaming world. The good times will roll again with the Wanle Gamer's console. This nostalgic iPhone case turns your smartphone into a gaming oasis, with 10 classic games like Tetris, Tank, Snake, Formula 1 Racing, and more pre-installed. Protect your phone and play classic games at the same time. What's not to love? Installed W/10 classic games, including Tetris, Tank, Formula 1 Racing, and Snake. Raised buttons make gaming easier and help protect against bumps and falls. Ultra slim design so you'll barely notice it on your iPhone. Allows full port access. Hard plastic construction protects your phone.